December housing data painted a confusing picture. Starts dipped a little, mostly because fewer new single-family homes were being built. Now, that might sound like bad news, but hold on tight. Building permits, which hint at future construction, jumped nearly 2%. So, it isn't apparent. On the one hand, we've got building permits surging, pointing to more construction on the horizon. Yet those once low interest rates propping up apartment builds have climbed, effectively cooling down that whole scene. What does this mean for the average person like you and me? Well, the apartment boom fueled by those crazy low rates? Yeah, that party's over. High rates slammed the brakes on that one. Yet, keep heart. Even when the market puts a damper on things, there's still room for some sectors to stand firm. Single-family homes are showing some resilience. Builders are still chugging along, thanks to rates staying below 6%. The construction sector remains a beacon of stability, providing jobs and bolstering the economy even as other areas might struggle. Shifting our focus to the market for existing homes, it's clear that while new builds have their niche, there's a steady demand for homes with history, ones that carry stories within their walls. The market operates under a COVID-19 policy, meaning things are restricted. Sellers aren't exactly handing out sweet mortgage deals like builders are they? Although sellers are less generous with mortgage deals than builders, and despite a bump in demand, there's still a noticeable gap when we look at the number of people applying to buy homes. Demand might be rising, but purchase applications still need to catch up. Remember, we're starting with a low bar here. But wait, there's a twist. Even though mortgage rates are higher than last year, new listings are growing year over year. There is no silver tsunami of sellers flooding the market, but more choices are always good, right? Everyone was parched for options, especially after last year's spring inventory drought. So, you're eyeing the housing market. More listings mean more choices, but remember, high mortgage rates are part of the package, too. The housing market isn't a simple boom or bust story. It's more like a complex dance of factors influencing the other. But here's the key takeaway. People still need homes, families still need to grow. The market might wobble, like a roller coaster after a big dip, but its foundation, our need for shelter, remains strong. Information is your best friend in this market. Stay on your toes, the market's constantly changing. Rates can shift, and trends can evolve. But don't panic. You would only build a house with a plan and navigate the market with knowledge and patience. Here's where I get a little personal. Buying or selling a home can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. It's normal to get lost or overwhelmed. That's why I highly recommend having a real estate pro by your side, like your own personal superhero. They'll be your compass, pointing you in the right direction, cracking codes, negotiating deals, and guiding you through every twist and turn. Don't hesitate to ask them anything from, what neighborhood fits my lifestyle? To, should I be worried about this weird crack in the ceiling? Remember, buying or selling a home should be an exciting experience, not a stressful one. Alright, inhale slowly, snatch that symbolic headgear, and relish the journey ahead. And hey, if things get bumpy, you know where to find me. Here, I am sharing updates and insights to help you navigate the twists and turns of the housing market. So, that's the latest on the housing market, folks. Sure, the housing market's full of surprises. It keeps you on your toes, but that's part of the charm. Remember that you've got a team backing you up every step of the way. So let's chat. Dive into the comments, tell your tales, throw out some queries, and let's back each other up while we tackle this wild market side by side. We're all in this house hunting or selling boat. Of course, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and get more juicy market insights, hit that subscribe button. New updates land regularly so that you won't miss a beat. Keep aiming for the stars with your ambitions, they're the driving force behind this entire venture. And hey, may your real estate journey be as smooth as a freshly paved driveway, minus the bumps from excited movers, of course. Catch you later, and keep shining bright.